Lamborghini Urus, Mansory edition, guys. You see that, baby? Mansory. Full carbon fiber front end, side skirts. I guess these are not carbon fiber, but whatever. No side skirts, I lied. But carbon fiber on the back end with the Mansory quad triangular tips. The thing looks sick. See that? I said Mansory on there. So we got a little issue with this Lambo. It's rattling. Somebody did the system on there. It sounds like shit. This Lamborghini's got to get fixed. This car should not sound like this. This is almost a $500,000 build right here. It should not be rattling. I'm going to crank this so you guys can hear it. We're here to fix it. We fix everything from Lamborghinis to Toyota Corollas, guys. And they bring us our Mansory Lamborghinis. So whenever you see a Mansory Urus, you know, just remember Gexhaust works on them, guys. No bueno. Sounds like dog shit. We're here to fix it. Something's rattling. Muffler may be broken. Could be too much aggressive tunes on there. Too much backfires. Sounds like a baffle inside the muffler is broken. We're gonna test drive it. We're gonna hear what it sounds like inside the cab, and you tell me what you think. So in the Lamborghini Urus, all right, as you can see, custom yellow interior in this thing. It's awesome. What the hell is that though? You heard that? This sounds crazy, bro. Nah, you can't be out here with the Urus sounding like that. Dude, something's dragging ass. Mufflers could be broken. Something's not supported correctly. Almost took this lady out. But it's still a Urus, baby. Oh, whoa. Yeah, something's definitely wrong with this car. Just got a transmission error, which I don't love. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with this car. It feels completely off. Transmission error keeps popping up. You got the triangle up top. It just burbling uncontrollably. This is like a BMW 328 with a downpipe and tune, you know? And then they come in, they're like, yeah, I want more burbles. This is what they want right here. Constant burbles, uncontrollable burbles. But yeah, man, this Lamborghini's got to get fixed right away. So we're gonna put it on the lift. We're gonna see what that noise is, see if anything's touching. Like I said, it just sounds like something's completely broken in this thing, and we gotta fix it. Yeah, this is fucking crazy. It's shifting really weird, man. I don't know what's going on with this car. We drove this thing all the way from Miami. Shout out to Performante Collision. They bring us all their high-end vehicles. They do a lot of kits like this, like these Mansory kits. They do custom interior. Yeah, man, something's definitely going on with this car, though. Let me put this thing in. Whoa. Y'all heard that? Something's not right. Sounds better in comfort than it does anywhere else. Yeah, so we're here to fix it, man. Gexhaust solves problems like this. So if you ever built a high-end sports car and it makes some crazy ass noises like that, just pull up, man. We'll check it out for you. So it got the Lamborghini paddy wagon on the lift, got the Mansory kit. Whoever did this job completely butchered it. We're here to fix some stuff. So the triangular tip in there is just rattling. It looks like it broke the weld up in the inside. You guys can see it. I'm gonna hit it. You see that? You hear it? Yeah, so we're gonna re-weld that section right there and then crank it. Whoever did this job, man, not a big fan of it. A little sloppy. They had to cut the frame to pop these tips on there. The Mansory tips do look sweet, but everything else, a little iffy. I would not do this to a Lambo. So if you're gonna do it right, guys, and take it to a professional body shop, make sure they're doing it right, not cutting the frame, because you cut a frame on a Lambo, you can't really get that back. You can't really put the frame back, and who's gonna buy a fucking Lambo with a cut frame? It's kind of crazy. So, like I said, we're just gonna weld this, we're gonna crank it, see what else happens after that. Hopefully the mufflers are not broken. If they are, we're gonna fix it. Whoever did the body kit for him in the past put some botched exhaust system on it. We sourced the exhaust system from Mansory directly, and we got the tri-tip exhaust to match the bumper on the back. So we're gonna put the car on the lift, we're gonna show you what it looks like, show you what's on there, and then show you how we're gonna fix it with the right exhaust for it. This system is full stainless steel. They do have a titanium option. The car's having some issues, so I didn't want to sell them a titanium exhaust. It's $4,000 more expensive and sounds about the same. I mean, it's a nice upgrade. It looks a little shinier, but the stainless steel option is a little bit more durable. It's a lot thicker, less prone to issues, cracking, stuff like that. So we went with the stainless steel option. As you can see, the craftsmanship is awesome. Really clean welds all the way around. It's got the tri-tip. This one is specially made for the Mansory kit on the Uruses. It's got this 3 exit setup, which is kind of crazy. Got the 2 valves in the middle and then 2 rear mufflers. All right, so you got the mid pipe right here, full stainless steel all the way through. It's got dual 3-inch piping. Got the hangers, got the adaptation piece for the stock setup, and then you have the Mansory box with the module control. So it also comes with a remote control. There's a full metal stainless steel black powder coated remote control, which is pretty pimp. Not a lot of systems come with a metal key fob, which is pretty cool. And then, like I said, we're just gonna mock it up, get rid of the stock system or the aftermarket system on there that's not for the truck. And like I said, we sourced the Mansory kit that belongs on the truck on a Mansory kit. So stay tuned, we're about to rack the car up and we're gonna show you what it looks like underneath and show you how we're gonna make it better. And that's what we do at Gexhaust, guys.